Hello dear students and welcome to the basic cryptocurrency trading course. I am Daisy Ivanova from Forex Academy. We have already recorded many courses for cryptocurrency trading for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, algorithmic trading for the cryptocurrencies and manual trading strategies. But now we have decided to create a course starting from the basics. We will start with manual trading and we will reach the advanced algorithmic trading in cryptocurrencies. We are going to show you the different chart types, the bars and the candlesticks, the different time frames, the spread and the swap that we pay to the brokers. We will show you what is pips and points, the leverage and the margin, and the different types of orders that we can execute on the trading platforms. You will learn how we use stop loss and take profit and what manual trading strategy you can use for cryptocurrencies. At the end, we will show you an algorithmic trading system and more. We have included 12 robots to the course.